We'll continue with the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones closed well. It closed with an increase, even though there had been some selling before. The Dow Jones closed well. The S&P 500 also closed well, and the indicator once again, the trend indicator, showed a buy signal. So from now on, I think our 6,400 target will be tested again and surpassed. I think it will test it, maybe pull back a little, and then surpass it. So, did the Nasdaq close at a record? Yes, the Nasdaq closed at a record. We like the Nasdaq more. And there are some interesting developments happening in the market regarding the American economy. I've done some research on that topic on my English account. I want to share that with you. Now, in the research I've done, there's a bit of fear dominating the S&P 500. But that's not the case on the Nasdaq side. The Nasdaq side is considered neutral, but we still see that the Nasdaq is stronger. So, over here, investors also prefer the Nasdaq side. And when we look at it this way, the drop in US 10-year yields is seen as a positive here, and actually, there's something like this going on here. When bad news comes in, so what do we mean by bad news? For example, bad news about employment comes out. Then, fear takes over the market. So, what is this fear? There's an increase in the VIX Fear Index. People start selling the S&P 500. They do, but for example, the Nasdaq might perform a bit better there, or even if the Nasdaq is sold off, it can recover more quickly. After that, people start thinking, wow, this employment situation is actually really bad. Then, the expectation is that the Fed will probably step in and save the day. People expect the Fed to step in and save the day, and because of this expectation, we say things will get back on track the next day or in a couple of days, like, okay, the panic is over, the crisis is behind us. Then the Nasdaq starts to rise again, and the S&P 500 and Dow Jones follow suit.